Hello everybody, I've got another item from the hangout from my childhood. This set, next to the Spartus clock seen in a previous video, not exactly what I had, but really darn close. Mine was more squared off, so this one's perhaps a slightly bit newer. It's a clock compass thermometer. I guess this is intended to go into a vehicle, but I had it sitting on top of the TV in the little house, hangout house with that Spartus clock. Let's see about this one. This is not as old. I figured that much. It's got a copyright of 2006, and it's a model 34204B. This was made in China, so I guess I can take it out of the packaging and see what's going on with it. Alright, I haven't opened one of this style of packaging in many years, and don't miss it. But we're going to open it up right now. It is quite yellowed, as you can see. Let's see what the actual item looks like. It's in excellent shape. I highly doubt what kind of battery? I highly doubt it's still good. It takes an LR41 battery. I'm going to pull this tab. Highly doubt it's going to work. Well, I'll be dipped. That I can't believe. So let's go ahead and set it. If I can. Okay. I've got it figured out. Buttons are a little bit iffy. I think it's the 27th. It is almost 4:30. These buttons are not the greatest. A far cry from the quality of what I had when I was a kid. Buttons were real easy to manipulate. $4.28. And the colon flashes. Seemed like it used to be able to flash between the date and time, but that's been a lot of years ago. I'd like to get that month right. Well, that might just be as good as it gets there. Compass still has the liquid in it. Still got the two-sided tape. That flips down. You could mount it like that, or mount it to the wall. In my case, I'm just going to have it sitting up somewhere, sitting on a shelf or something like that. But that's a look at my Bell clock compass thermometer. And it actually still has a good battery in it. I can't believe that. Being set up for 18 years? Wow. And the battery just works, and it's got a nice dark display on it. It's not faded out like it's got a low battery. We'll see how long it works. Alright, I finally got it all set. It's got the correct date and time. Okay, now I got it alternating between date and time. So I think I liked it like that when I was a kid. So that's how I'm going to run it. So once again, this is my Bell model 34204-8 clock, compass, thermometer. Very similar to what I had from my childhood days. Thank you for watching. Hold on, wait, there's more. I decided to put all these in a group. They were in the same location. The clock, the compass, clock, and thermometer, and the 12-volt power supply. All back together again.